here is my new U Beauty plasma set. I've been wanting to try this U Beauty plasma lip compound, and they have this great gift set. It's on their website for $78, and if you've never ordered from U Beauty before, it is actually 15% off for a first-time order. So I got this for $78 minus 15%. A full size of this would normally be $68. So for $10 extra, we have these two travel sizes. These are 0.16 fluid ounces as opposed to 0.5 fluid ounces. So about a quarter of the amount that you get on the other one. So let's say those are each worth 20 bucks. So not bad. We have the color Universal. We have the color Cassis, which I'm really looking forward to trying. And we have the color Sunset. Very pretty. And along with that, we've got some great samples. We've got the Super Hydrator, which I've tried before and love. The Eye Concentrate, which I also love. And the Gentle Skin Conditioning Wash. So looking forward to trying that. And in addition, I got this nice little gift with the purchase of some other colors I can try, like the Plasma Lip Compound. We have Orchid, Poppy, Flush, and Bellini. I really like all of these. So looking forward to trying these and looking forward to reporting back to you on how I like it. The products were recommended by Michele Wang on her 2023 Best of Skincare Roundup, and I am looking forward to trying them, and I will report back to you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and ring the bell for future content. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.